Hello everyone and welcome back to my DIY channel. If you're new to this channel, thank you for clicking on to today's video, and if you're coming back to my channel, welcome back you guys. Also, if you are new to this channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and that bell icon so you never miss any of my posts. Now, as you all have already read from today's title, in today's video I will be sharing with you guys how to make a beautiful painting for your home decor. You can hang it up in your room, you can hang it up in your bathroom, your kitchen, your living room, anywhere inside your house. I'm going to be showing you step by step on how to create this beautiful painting. I know many of you guys might be thinking that, this is not an easy painting. No. Listen. Nothing is hard in the world unless you try. You know, it's all about giving your best and trying, and also learn something out of it. So without taking much of your guys' time, let's dive into the video, and without further ado, let's begin with the video. To get started, first start with grabbing your canvas. So I'm going to be going with the 16 by 20 size canvas. You can use any size you want. Next, what I'm going to do is, using a thicker brush, I'm going to wet the brush and pretty much stroke it down onto the canvas. And once that's complete, I'm going to pour a little bit of white and black paint to make the shade of gray. So I'm just going to blend that until I finally get to see the shade of gray, and I'm pretty much just going to add that on there. And just like how before, if you've seen other of my videos, I always like to go from dark to light shade, and I'm pretty much doing the same exact thing with making the background. As you can see, I've added some white paint just to kind of get that same effect from dark to light. And once it starts looking like this, next I'm going to use some yellow and orange paint to create the sunrise effect. I'm first going to add in the yellow paint just about in the middle, and then once that's done, I'm going to add some orange paint around the yellow paint using light strokes. Next, I've added some blue paint to get that blue sky effect, and using some dabs of white paint, I'm going to blend that in to get a lighter shade of blue paint. Next, using some water, I'm going to wet my brush and blend the yellow paint with the blue paint just like this. Once that's complete, now I'm going to turn over the canvas, and now I'm going to start with creating the mountains. Now I'm going to start with making a darker shade of gray using both white and black paint, but adding more black paint to get that darker shade, and I'm just going to start making the mountains. Keep in mind, when you are painting in the mountains, remember to do the dark to light effect for each mountain. Next, I'm going to add some small mountains, making it look like these mountains appear further away than the others. Also, keep this in mind, guys, that this is your own world. Create it however way you want. Just like how Bob Ross said, you can do anything you want. This is your world. And he's actually right. Exactly. So make it however way you want. If you want to add mountains further down, paint them further down. You want them to appear closer, you can make them appear closer. It's all up to you guys. Next, since the setting of this painting is taking place during spring, I'm going to be using some green paint to add on some grass. Keeping in mind the light to dark effect, so it's going to be light from the bottom and then dark from the top. And keeping that in mind, I'm just going to blend that in with some white paint. Next, using some baby blue paint, I'm just going to add that on here, making it look like it is a beautiful ocean. And I'm just going to add that on there just like this. Keeping the dark to light effect in mind, as you can see, it looks a bit darker from the top and then lighter from the bottom. So I'm just gonna continue doing so until it looks like this. Next, using some brown paint, I'm going to start making a tree. And then I'm also going to add a darker shade of brown paint by blending black and brown. And I'm just going to blend that in with the lighter shade of brown paint. And just continue blending that in until it looks like this. To get that dark to light effect, I'm pretty much just going to add on some white paint and blend that in with some brown paint, just like that. And I'm just going to continue blending it until it looks like this. And then next I'm going to start with painting and making the branches. So feel free to make however way you want your branches to look like. It's, again, your world, so you can make it however way you want. I'm just going to add some more baby blue paint. And now I'm just going to finish off with completing the tree. Once the tree is complete, now it's time to add on the flowers. And since this tree will be a cherry blossom tree, I'm going to be using pink, red, and white paints to make the flowers. Dab the color pink onto the branches using your paintbrush, making it look like a flower with 4 petals. And to get a lighter shade of pink, simply mix pink and white paints, and for a darker shade, mix red and pink together. Continue doing this until your tree looks fuller with the flowers. And once your painting is finally complete, here is the finished look. It absolutely looks beautiful, and I have to say that, it came out amazing. And that is it, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed watching today's video and also learned something new. Also, if you liked today's video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. And also don't forget to hit that bell icon so you get notified each time I post a new video on this channel. Also, for those of you who don't know, I also have a Facebook page which is called, it's a project that I've been working on called Confidence Through Creativity. It's a project that's focused on building self-confidence through art. So if you haven't checked out my Facebook page, be sure to check it out. I'm going to leave the link down in the description below, so be sure to join the Facebook page as well. It's called Confidence Through Creativity, and if you want to build your self-confidence through the help of art, you should follow me. If you want to see a whole video on where I explain how I got into art, how I had started my Confidence Through Creativity project, I've actually mentioned a couple of my videos as well where I have explained on how I created the project and what's the message behind it. So if you want to watch the video, the link is going to be in the description below. It helped me build my self-confidence. So if that is what you are looking for, then you have clicked on the right video. And don't forget to join. It is absolutely free to join. So worldwide, open for anyone who is willing to learn to build their self-confidence through the help of art. And today's video shout out goes to Robo HP. Shout out to you. Also, in order to get a video shout out, all you have to do is just give this video a like, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Give this video a like, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and you'll be easily entered in to get a shout out in my next video. Also, for those of you who don't know, I also have a vlog channel. I leave the link down in the description below. I always give out updates on my Instagram, so be sure to follow me on Instagram for all my video updates. Also, for more quick and easy DIY project or arts and crafts videos, be sure to follow me on TikTok. My TikTok is _AmpriMatheru. The link is down in the description below. Thank you so much. Take care, guys. Stay safe, and I will see you in my next video, either in my vlog channel or my DIY channel. So take care, stay safe, and bye.